Welcome to Notion Press. At this point, you must be almost through your self-publishing process. Now it's time to design your book cover with our very own cover design tool. Let's get right into it. To get started, click Launch Cover Creator and you are now in the cover design tool. You can choose a pre-made layout or template for reference. For demonstration, I'm going to go with the blank layout. You can click on this toggle to go between the front cover and back cover of the book. If you're not happy with the layout that you just selected, you can click Change Layout and go and select another layout. All the design changes that you make are auto-saved, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. Let's get started with the cover design itself. On the left, we have options to change your background, add any text or any fun shapes or other elements. I'm going to start by adding a background image. You can either select from the images provided here or you can upload your own. If you're not able to find a suitable image, you can just search for a free image on the search option over here. When the toggle is at front cover, you can just click on the background and make any necessary changes to it. You can either adjust these elements manually or you can just select from a collection of pre-made filters. Once you select a background image, you can go ahead and add the title and subtitle. Now let's move on to the title. Once you select the text, you get a whole host of options to manipulate it. You can change the font, make it bold, underline, so on and so forth. Now keep in mind, all your text and other elements should fall inside the margins provided in the creator. Because when the book gets printed, anything beyond these margins will get cut out. So you can adjust your text accordingly. You can drag your text around, you can change position, color and so much more. Make sure you manipulate the author name to stand out from the main title. And it's that simple. We've made our front cover. And now you can set the toggle to back cover and repeat the same process, making sure they both follow a similar theme. Select your background, copy paste your blurb for the book and the About the Author segment. Once you're done, click preview and finish for you to see what your cover design is going to look like finally. Now don't worry about the spine, that will be auto-generated. And that's it for the cover design tool. All the best with your publishing.